Did you know that certain foods can help lower your uric acid levels and prevent those painful gout attacks? Stick around as we reveal the top 10 foods that could significantly help you say goodbye to gout for good. 10 natural remedies for gout, foods to lower uric acid and prevent gout attacks. Today's video is going to take a deep dive into the world of nutrition and discover 10 astonishing foods that can effectively help you to reduce your uric acid levels. They may be the game changer in your health, whether you are suffering from gout or would like to prevent it. Gout is a common type of arthritis characterized by sudden, severe attacks of pain, redness, and tenderness in joints. Such discomfort is predominantly caused by high contents of uric acid in blood, which forms sharp crystals within the joints. This condition is often triggered by factors such as a diet high in purines. Purines are naturally occurring compounds found in certain foods and cells, which, when broken down by the body, produce uric acid as a byproduct. Purines can be found in red meat, seafood, and other alcoholic drinks, so a high purine diet, obesity, genetic predisposition, as well as other health issues like kidney disease and hypertension are also known to trigger this condition. Sometimes gout attacks, which happen suddenly and are extremely severe, can result from the excessive concentration of uric acid within the body, leading to swelling, pain, and redness around the joints. Handling gout can be difficult. However, the right food choices can make a big difference in managing uric acid levels, while also preventing flare-ups. Each of these 10 foods will be examined further in this section as we delve deeper into their magic, the nutrients they contain, and the ways they contribute to the management of gout. Not only are these foods delicious, but they also hold a strong stand against gout, ranging from fruits and vegetables to seeds and beverages. The following are the top 10 foods that have the most significant effect on reducing uric acid levels. First on the list are cherries. These bright fruits have strong anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce uric acid levels. A research paper in Arthritis and Rheumatism stated that consuming cherries or cherry extract can decrease the risk of gout attacks by 35%. Eat them fresh, dried, or juiced to manage your gout more tastefully. The next one is celery, a low-purine vegetable renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics. Celery contains substances such as luteolin and apigenin that help lower uric acid levels. The journal's Food and Function report showed that these elements can block xanthine oxidase, an enzyme involved in generating uric acid. Berries, specifically blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are filled with antioxidants and vitamin C, which can reduce inflammation and decrease uric acid levels. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights the inverse relationship between gout risk and vitamin C intake. Another good option is apples. They contain malic acid, which neutralizes uric acid in the body. An article from BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies argues that apples' antioxidants also lessen inflammation. As such, they should be included into a diet for a person suffering from gout. There are citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits that are high in vitamin C. In addition, it was reported by Archives of Internal Medicine that increasing the consumption of vitamin C could reduce urate level. You may squeeze lemon into your drinking water or take some orange for refreshment, hence preventing an outbreak of gout. Leafy greens, including spinach, kale, Swiss chard, are low in purines, but rich in vitamins, minerals, necessary for overall health support. Uric acid level drops because fiber found in greens breaks down slowly into glucose, which is good for the body. The benefits of a vegetable-rich diet for gout were underscored by Nutrients Review. There are low-fat dairy products, such as milk and yogurt, that can lower uric acid levels. According to research in the New England Journal of Medicine, dairy proteins, increase the excretion of uric acid, thereby lowering blood concentration. Therefore, including some low-fat dairy into your meal plan might be quite a yummy way to combat gout. Almonds and flax seeds, as well as other nuts and seeds, provide the body with healthy fats and fibers which can help to regulate uric acid levels. A study in Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism shows that consumption of these foods associates with lower inflammation as well as improved uric acid levels. Oats, brown rice, quinoa are whole grains, which are good sources of fiber and complex carbohydrates. These grains help to stabilize blood sugar levels, hence reducing attacks of gout. According to a study by British Journal of Nutrition, related to the role of whole grains in managing gout through maintaining a balanced diet. Finally, green tea is a powerful drink for lowering uric acid levels. Full of catechins, green tea has been shown to inhibit xanthine oxidase activity, thus reducing the production of uric acid. A publication in the Journal of Functional Foods affirms that consuming green tea on a regular basis can be very helpful to those who have elevated levels of uric acid. That being said, it is worth noting that these 10 foods, cherries, celery, berries, apples, citrus fruits, leafy greens, low-fat dairy products and nuts and seeds, whole grains, as well as green tea, are a few among many others that may play an important role in reducing uric acid levels and managing gout. Include these food items rich in nutrients into your diet plan to live a healthier life. If you liked this information, then make sure you also check out our other videos relating to healthy eating and gout management. Let us know if you have used any of the listed or other foods for gout relief and share your experience here for the benefit of our viewers. Remember also to like, share and subscribe for more valuable tips on the same. Thanks for watching.